Hello, dear students and my audience, very warm welcome to Dr. Zia Ahmed YouTube channel. In this very short video, we shall be focusing on the introduction of focus group, what it is going to be, what are its requirements, and how it is conducted. So let us proceed and see what we can do with it. First of all, let's have a look at this picture. This is a type of focus group where we can see that some people, at least 5 people, are sitting quite formally and they are focusing on one thing and they are discussing that thing as well. The purpose of these people definitely is going to decide about something, to talk about something, to discuss about something. So a focus group begins really in the form of discussion, but it's a group discussion. It is not the discussion of one individual. And similarly, if we go a little bit further, we will be able to see some of the ideas which are relevant to this sitting together. Like it's a method in which one or two researchers and several participants meet as a group to discuss a given research topic. I mean, the topic is already defined, and on that topic, researchers or the people who are well versed in that, or the people who can talk about that, they will be sitting together and discussing. One of these researchers becomes a moderator, leads the discussion by asking participants to respond to open-ended questions. The second, the note taker records general themes and participants discusses. So therefore you can see that there are 3 people which are important. One is the moderator, who is bound to ask the question, which are already predetermined, and the second one is going to be the note taker, who is also very much important. He will take down everything which is being said and spoken by the people. And this focus group ideally will have 6 to 10 participants, typically 1 hour duration is there. So now we can have a good definition of this focus group, and that is that a focus group is a small group discussion guided by a trained leader used to learn more about opinion on a designated topic and then guide future actions. So there are 3 things again. The group is small, it's not that big one. It is guided by the trained leader, that how they need to look at or the topic, or to talk about something and give their opinion on the designated topic, and that is then used in order to do many other things. So in that way, this is going to be the focus group. We have this picture that shows that it's kind of informal focus group where the people are sitting informally. The setting of the room is also informal. It means that possibly some of the people would love to sit informally in order to have a discussion like a focus group. But then there are some formal style of sitting as well. As you can see in the picture, that is a proper room, like a committee room or like a meeting or seminar room, where people are sitting on their designated seats and they are talking with each other also in order to continue with the discussion on the topic, whatever they have. Let's see how it is done, or what is the way to do so. So first of all, it is here, the home. Starting from here, that we need to choose a location for the focus group where it will be held. What is the office? What's the committee room? What is the seminar room where it is to take place? And after that, the second one is about the recruitment of 6 to 12 participants who are there to receive an incentive as well. Some incentive may be given to these people in order to attract them. And after that, 90 to 120 minute session led by trained moderators should be conducted by attracting their views, and they should be talking about that. And after that, some kind of analysis should be conducted, and these people should give their type of written or spoken oral report about that, whatever they have been talking about. Then the researcher needs to come forward and talk about the topic and the goals of the focus group. This is very necessary, that at least the participants should know what are they going to do. After that, one needs to look at these people who are going to talk and find out who could be the potential participants. And after that, and then the report may be generated by the moderator. He may take these things in a recorded form, so that can be used in future as well. Then there are some responsibilities or some cares that the researcher should take care. That means that he should recruit some of the right participants who may be well versed in the matters which are being discussed, and they may be having a critical mind of thinking as well. That is why the moderator should also be very mature one, very wise one, so that he can design very good questions in order to talk, discuss, and everything like that. Then the meeting should be properly recorded so that the data may be useful, And ultimately, the guidelines for the participants may be written in a very, very careful way so that there should be no discriminations, no mistakes, no errors, etc. The session should be conducted, and after that, the session is complete, the report may be generated, and that report, therefore, can be used in order to use it for the further conduct of the analysis and of the data and the results. Now, this research method, that is focus group, has certain advantages. Although we know that we have certain mediums online, that the surveys or online polls can be conducted, but this one has proved to be very useful because it provides us immediate access to customers' opinion, making data collection and analysis quick and convenient. It is flexible also because we can adapt to the needs and of the opinion group and the members. Easy to conduct a regular discussion to eliminate inaccurate results due to current market outlooks. And lastly, focus groups are perfect sources to understand the true feelings of the participants of your selected target audience. But well, then there are the disadvantages also of the same method if there are certain advantages. For example, it's a very reduced small sample size that cannot be called representative of all the people, and because of the limited sample size also it's very difficult to guarantee the anonymity of the respondent or the person who's talking to, and therefore there are the problems that there could be sensitivity of the opinion, sensitivity about the topic, depth analysis not possible in face-to-face discussion, and ultimately one can say that data analysis is vulnerable to inaccuracy and observer research as well. So that was all about the introduction of focus group. Hope to see you in some next video. Thank you for watching.